In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Google Sheets using 3 effective methods. Whether you're using this for work, school, or personal projects, you'll find these steps straightforward and versatile to suit various needs. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Google Sheets on your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account to access your Sheets. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, look towards the menu bar for the Extensions tab. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to find and select Coefficient. This tool will assist us in importing the CSV file efficiently. Next, you'll want to click on Launch. Doing this activates the Coefficient feature, which provides import options for you. In the sidebar that appears, you should see an Import From section. Here, choose the Files option followed by CSV. This will take you to the first method of importing your CSV. For the first method, click on From URL. Then, in the provided field, type the URL link of the CSV file you wish to import. After entering the URL, click Next, which will prompt the tool to prepare for importing. Once it's ready, simply click Import, and voila, your data should populate the Google Sheet. Moving on to the second method. If you have the CSV file stored on your device, click on Import CSV instead. This method allows you to upload directly from your device. Press Upload File, and then click Select a file from your device. Browse through your files, select the CSV you want to import, and click Open. Your file will begin uploading. Once done, click on Import to finish the process. Finally, the third method involves importing a CSV file from Google Drive. Back in the Import section, make sure Files and CSV are selected. Now click on Google Drive. This will show you your drive's contents. Choose the CSV file you need by clicking on it once and then hit Select. To finalize the import, you might need to choose a particular sheet to import to, like Sheet 1. Once you've done that, click Import. Each of these methods provides a unique way to manage your data, whether it's through a URL, device, or Google Drive. Remember, no matter the source of your data, Google Sheets gives you the flexibility to import it seamlessly. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Don't hesitate to explore these methods and find which one works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data managing.